फ्रेंड्स मु श्रीकन्या मैडम आपण आनी देजी कंप्यूटर आउ गोटे नुआ प्रैक्टिस सेट जोटा कि आपणकर एग्जाम बहुत इंपोर्टेंट। ये वीडियो को आगु को नबा पूर्व आपण मैंने आमर चैनल मास्टर क्यू को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करने को भूलंतु ना। आज आम मैंने गोटे प्रैक्टिस सेट देखा जो आम 20 मल्टीपल टाइप क्वेश्चंस आम डिस्कशन करवा। तो आसतु फ्रेंड्स आम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टी देखि नबा। सो व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए टाइप ऑफ ए वेब ब्राउजर। तो एमानक मध्यरु केउंटी गोटे वेब ब्राउजर नुहे। आमर ऑप्शन अच्छी मोजिला फायरफॉक्स, गूगल क्रोम, याहू एंड इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर। so Yahoo is the right answer. Yahoo is not a web browser. Then next question ti dekhi niyantu. What does the acronym HTML stand for? Means what is the full form of HTML? And the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. This is a very needy question. आपण माने जानिबा दरकार HTML रो फुल फॉर्म हेउचे Hypertext Markup Language. The next question देखंतु, which of the following protocol is used to handle email? क्यों प्रोटोकॉल टी आमे ईमेल सेंड रिसीव करिया पई यूज करे and the protocol is SMTP. सो फ्रेंड्स आपण माने मन रखंतु SMTP प्रोटोकॉल हेल्प रे आमे ईमेल को हैंडल करिबा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टी देखिबा, व्हाट डज द टर्म URL स्टैंड फॉर और व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ URL? द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ URL इज यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. सो see it minutely. The full form of URL is uniform resource locator. Which of the following is not a social networking site? तो फ्रेंड्स आपण मैंने जानी बहुत ही सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट रे आपण मैंने एक्टिव अच्छी. फेसबुक इज ए सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट, ट्विटर इज ऑल्सो ए सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट एंड इंस्टाग्राम ऑल्सो. बट गूगल मैप इज नॉट a social networking site. It is used for to find some location or to see the map. Next question टी आसंतु देखि नबा. Which of the following is used to convert a domain name into its numerical IP address? And the answer will be DNS, domain name system. So domain name system is used to convert a domain name into its numeral IP address. The next question number 7 देखिबा, which of the following is used to search for information on the web? तो एमानक मध्यरु आमे कहार हेल्प रे आमे किछि वेब ब्राउजर रे इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च करछे and the answer will be search engine. So there are several search engine with the help of which we can search anything in the web. The next question number 8 को आमे देखिबा, which of the following is not an operating system? Windows, Mac operating system, Linux and Firefox. And the right answer will be Firefox. Firefox is a search engine. It is not an operating system. Then moving to the next question. Which of the following is used to protect a computer from unauthorized access? So from between firewall, antivirus software, spyware, adware, which is used to protect a computer from unauthorized access? And the answer will be option A, firewall. Then the next question is, what does the acronym ISP stand for or what is the full form of ISP? So it is a very important question. The full form of ISP is Internet Service Provider. तो एकु आपण भल से मन रखि नियंतु. ISP रो फुल फॉर्म होची Internet Service Provider. Then question number 11, which of the following is not an example of a top level domain name or TLD? So there are different domain name, .com for commercial website, .net for networking and .edu for educational websites. But HTTP is not a top level domain name. So it is a answer. Okay. So HTTP is not an example of top level domain. So next question we will see, which of the following is not a type of HTTP request mode? So which of the following is not a type of HTTP request mode? And the answer will be pool. Pool is the not a type of HTTP request mode. तापर आम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, which organization is responsible for managing द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ आईपी एड्रेसेस तो आमको को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हेल्प करे आईपी एड्रेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने पे सबू सिस्टम रे आईपी एड्रेस अलग अलग थाए आपण मैंने जानी then it is the answer will be Internet Corporation of Assigned Names and Numbers ICANN. So this is the organization Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers which is responsible for managing the distribution of IP addresses. Then we will move to our next question, question number 14. Then our next question will be which encryption protocol is used to secure online transactions. So for our online transaction it is necessary to have some security and we use TLS protocol and TLS stands for transfer layer security. So transfer layer security protocol is used to secure the online transactions. Then moving to our question number 15, which of the following is not a web browser? Again we will see which of the following is not a type of web browser and the answer is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is not a type of web browser. Then question number 16 is which of the following is not an example of a social media platform? सो आपण मैंने आजिकल सोशल मीडिया बहुत यूज करेंगे तो आप देखो फेसबुक ट्विटर एंड लिंक्डइन इज द पॉपुलर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म बट विकिपीडिया इज नॉट ए सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म दिस विकिपीडिया वी यूज टू गैदर सम एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट सम पर्सन और पर्टिकुलर प्लेसेस और एनीथिंग विच गिव अस द वास्ट नॉलेज. Then question number 17 is which of the following is not a type of computer virus? So we know Trojan horse is a virus, adware is a virus, worm is a virus, but HTTP is not a virus. It is hypertext transfer protocol. It is a protocol for transferring files. So HTTP will be the correct answer. Then moving to the question number 18, which of the following is not a type of cyber attack? So phishing, denial of service, adware and malware. So the right answer will be option C, adware. So adware is not a type of cyber attack. Then moving to the question number 19, which protocol is used to send and receive email? So this is also I have discussed in our classes and the answer will be SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which is used to send and receive emails. And our last question is which of the following is not a type of cloud computing service? And the answer will be Internet as a Service, IaaS. So it is a type of cloud computing service, that is Internet as Service, IaaS. So guys, thank you for watching our video. I hope the question I have discussed is very helpful for you and I hope you have subscribed and commented in our channel. So keep visiting our channel for more educational content. Thank you.